In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Udemy. Changing your country on Udemy is important because it can affect which courses you see, the currency you pay in, and sometimes even the prices that are available to you. Maybe you've moved to a new country, you're traveling long-term, or your billing details have changed. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can update your account correctly and avoid common issues. First, open your web browser and go to the Udemy website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. If you have multiple Udemy accounts, double-check that you're signed into the right one, since the country setting is specific to each account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page and find your profile picture or initial. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Account or Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your personal information, privacy, and various preferences. On the Account Settings page, look for a section related to your profile details or general account information. Here, you should see fields like your name, email, and sometimes your language and country or region. Find the country field and click on it. This should open a drop-down list of available countries. Select your new country from the list. Once you've done that, scroll down and look for a button that says Save, Save, Changes, or similar. Click that button to confirm and apply your new country setting. It's important not to refresh or close the page before saving, or your changes may not be applied. After saving, Udemy may refresh the page or ask you to confirm the change, especially if it affects your billing information. In some cases, Udemy might require that your payment method matches the country you've chosen. If that happens, you may need to update your payment details in the billing or payment section so that the card or payment account corresponds to your new country. To double-check that everything worked, go back to your account settings and make sure the country now shows correctly. You might also notice that prices are displayed in a different currency, which is a good sign that the change has taken effect. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully changed your country on Udemy and aligned your account with your current location.